Hey, good morning.
Hey, Michael.
Good
to see you. How are you today?
So I'm Michael Camber with Kaeser Compressors, and we're here at Foose Designs to install a 15 horsepower compressor at Chip's shop, and replacing an older machine that he's had for a long time, but it's due to be replaced. So today we have a team from the LA branch, and they're here first to remove the existing compressor. They've isolated the power, and they're doing a safe, cutting the cord, so to speak, and then doing a little bit of plumbing at the compressor site so they can put it all together.
I can't believe that this unit replaces everything that I've got
Yeah.
in there now.
Yeah, well, you must be eager. I see it's all unpacked and ready to go. So yeah, it's kind of surprising because it's the 15 horsepower compressor rotary screw with the dryer built in on the back. The new machine is going to deliver similar horsepower, 15 horsepower. It's going to provide the same stable pressure and good air quality because it's got a built-in dryer, and we'll have the filtration. So he's got good clean dry air for his paint booth, as well as all the tools. That extends tool life and really helps keep the shop running well. The tank,
We've relocated and put it over there.
We put it in there so it's closer to some of the users. So that'll help, get better flow and pressure to some of the users on the far end of your,
It's fantastic.
your shop.
Well, I'm really excited. Thank you so much, and yeah, can't wait to get it in.
Yeah, it's going to be great. So our folks are there doing the de-install, and then they're just getting the pipes ready to put on some of the fittings, so we can make quick work of this for you.
Well, it's fantastic.
The compressor has a built-in dryer, so that's one component that doesn't need to be piped in addition. So the current system has a separate dryer, so they're going to have to do a little bit of repiping, not a big job at all. And then we have the tank inside that will help distribute air more evenly throughout the shop, and we just have to put the decal on that. That's already plumbed in and set up.
Now, how long has Kaeser been making compressors?
So we've been making compressors since 1947.
1947.
So Kaeser's older than that, but they were a precision machine shop for several decades before that, and they applied that machining technology to making first piston units, but then later rotary screw, because they already had that expertise in gear cutting. And that's the essence of what a rotary screw is two gears meshing together. But you should have plenty of flow.
What will this go to pressure-wise?
So this particular machine is set for 125, but Kaeser's can go up to 217. There are certain bands you order it as a 125-pound machine or a 175-pound machine or a 217-pound machine.
Cool.
Yep. So a lot of versatility in these compressors. Of course, this is just one of 150 different models and machines. You've seen some of the ones like at SEMO where we have 5 horsepowers, but we go all the way up to 700 horsepower.
Fantastic.
Yep. Kaeser LA, as we call them, is over in Cyprus. Very large new facility that, well, we've had a branch here for many years, but we've grown a lot in that time. And so we needed to expand, and so we quadrupled the size of the space. We carry a lot of inventory. We actually get shipping containers directly from Germany into LA. We have all the service technicians and people who can make sure that once the machine's in the field, that it's well taken care of. And then we have the pros who will help them go out to the customer site and figure out exactly what they need and make sure they get the right equipment in.
So the shop's going to get some fresh air today. It's going to be all new and quiet. That's what I'm amazed how quiet these are. You can't even hear it right now.
I know, it's amazing. Yes, it's definitely a quieter machine. You've grown a lot since I've been here last.
Yeah.
I think you've tripled in size. So.
Yeah, so a lot of the guys are starving for a little air. We're having to wait to get a little air in the tank.
Okay.
So this will eliminate the stall waiting for air pressure, and the cars will get done faster.
So why don't we go take a look at where the tank is installed?
All right.
And
Yeah.
yeah,
It's right over here.
having the tank here will give you some better pressure stability and flow to the users on this end of the shop.
Great.
As you've grown, you've added air users
Yeah,
further
we started out
away.
in just the first shop,
Yep.
then the second shop, and that's when I put that compressor in. Then we grew to this one and the third one.
Wow. So, and is there air going on in the third shop as well? Air going
Yes.
to that? Okay.
Yeah, it comes from that compressor.
Okay.
We actually ran it through the wall over there, and then it's underground and goes back into the building next
Okay.
door.
So having the tank here in the middle is going to be very good for the balance in the system.
Yep. I like it.
Yeah, we're really thrilled to be to put our Kaeser compressor in Foose Designs. Chip has been a great friend to us for many years, starting back in the overhauling days, and we're really thrilled to be here, out here to see the installation, get things up and running, and leave them with an excellent system.
So now, Kaeser was originally from, is it Germany?
Yes.
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 And when did they come to America?
So we established Kaeser in the U.S. in 1982 in Fredericksburg, Virginia.
And
which
they have
is-
grown to be as well known as they are today.
Yes.
Since '82.
Yeah, so we at that time had zero awareness, no brand recognition or market share, and now we're definitely one of the top industrial compressor companies.
And probably the fastest growing in the States.
We're definitely still on a growth curve, but we're very well established by now, but we're still growing. So we've added distributors and branches all across the country. Our Pacific Distribution Center and our LA branch, that you know some of the folks there, that has grown. It's quadrupled in size since we established it.
Well, I had bought this compressor before I ever knew about Kaeser. And then when we started overhauling, Kaeser came in and of course helped us.
Right.
And I couldn't believe how quiet the machine was.
Yeah.
We could run it inside the shop
Yeah.
and it didn't bother us filming. So
Yeah, that's one of the great attributes. So in a lot of industrial settings, the compressors are in their own room. The noise isn't really a concern.
Right.
But in many smaller businesses, the compressor is on the shop floor, and it makes a difference to the
Yes.
the sanity and health and safety of the workers.
well, thank you for all the help you gave us
Sure.
on overhauling.
Yeah, no, that was a
of
great
course-
experience for us.
When it came time to replace it, I wanted a Kaeser, and I'm excited to have it here at the shop
Yeah,
now.
no, we're very proud to put it here.
Thank you. No,
Yeah.
I'm excited, and by the end of today, everybody here in the shop's going to be excited. That looks nice.